Hello, in this video, we will learn how to send voice messages with the View Once mode in WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the chat of the person you want to message. Long press on the voice recording icon. If you want to send a short voice message, continue holding the icon in this way. If you want to create a long voice recording, scroll upwards towards the lock icon, and the recording will continue without the need to keep holding the icon. This feature allows the recipient of your message to view it only once. I will now enable it. Afterward, send the message from here. As you can see, the voice recording has been sent using this method, and the recipient will be able to listen to it only once. They won't be able to listen to it again. I hope the content of the video was helpful to you. Lastly, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to stay updated with our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.